airport.
Do you like this? Yes.
Were you showing him the book?
I'm going to get 2 cases out.
What's your favorite part?
But,
What did Taylor show you, Easton?
but,
We're not pressing any buttons on there today. Sorry, buddy. Waste too much toner.
See? These are on the Van Nuys Airport.
Yeah, we saw helicopters at the Van Nuys Airport, huh?
These two.
Yeah.
But these are...
What did you see in the book, Easton?
Mom, I'm going to bend this so I can see it.
What'd you see? What do you like in there?
He likes these two.
Does he? Thanks for showing him, Taylor. That was really nice.
I'm going to put this here on... Hi, you see this? I'm making up these pages so I can show everybody my helicopter. Do I have a helicopter here?
We don't have a helicopter, but... well, we have a toy helicopter, don't we? Grandma Barbara, Grandpa Don gave it to you. Hey, Easton, that's Daddy's special artwork. Gotta leave it there, buddy. Leave it there.
I can show everybody my helicopter.
Let's come out now, okay? Yeah, we can't press a button every day. Maybe we'll wait another week.
Ethan has another helicopter. I really want another helicopter.
You want another helicopter? Oh. How are you going to get one?
Does Santa have toy helicopters?
Oh, maybe. Maybe when Christmas time comes, you can ask Santa Claus for a helicopter.
That's not what Ethan's that Grandma Barbara has, and I really want another one.
Oh.
So I want Taylor's helicopter.
You want your own helicopter, huh?
Yeah, because Ethan's is his. But I want a red helicopter. I want a Southwest helicopter. I want a green helicopter.
A green helicopter?
Yeah.
Well, you think about it, and then when December comes, you can ask Santa Claus, okay? And maybe one of his elves has a green helicopter in the workshop. I bet Santa will ask his elves if they can make one. We'll see. Okay?
Who are those?
Well, Santa Claus has lots of elves. They live in the North Pole.
Maybe I can have an airplane. I can have a private airplane so I can have one of these. Private airplane?
Yeah, they're ambulance airplanes, so they're not really for the public. It's just for a passenger that's hurt. People who are like doctors ride in those, and they help people who are hurt.
I want to have a private jet for. I want to have an airplane for December.
For December? Okay. Well, you can think about it some more. When December comes, you can ask Santa, okay?